Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, you took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see.
Oh my gosh, so I've been thinking about vlogging and I actually haven't vlogged. I can't believe it. But guess what? It is June 17, 2020 and your girl is graduating. Alright, keep forgetting to vlog. But Sissy is here. We are almost at the venue. It is about 5:12. Have to get there for like a 5:15. Little photos. Things start at 6 o'clock. Yeah, super excited.
It's graduation day.
Yes.
Graduating residents and fellows are really unique and will be remembered in a special way because of COVID-19.
For him. Highly dedicated, excellent interpersonal skills, punctual and consistent, empathetic and caring towards patients and families, with outstanding professionalism, positive attitude, willing to learn, and an artist in transformative feedback into strengths. Dr. Catherine.
Okay.
She was convincing me, so let's see.
Okay. He said he's walking about 3 years. 3 years, yeah. And then Miami?
I told her our headquarters are in Miami.
Oh, they are. And probably here around there.
Here to celebrate this class tonight. And I'm looking out. I'm going first because I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I've learned the more I talk and the more sentimental I'll get. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
The more sentimental I get about these guys that I love so much. I don't want to be the first to break down tonight, okay? So we're going to keep it short and sweet.
It was me actually, don't talk.
Okay. Listen, first of all, congratulations to all of you. Getting to know you, getting to learn from you.
Where are we, right? We perish quickly at the hands of this profession that we've chosen. But thank you for showing us that it is okay to take a step back, to enjoy life, to enjoy your career, but also to enjoy life, and that you are a stronger physician because of that. So thank you very much. And with that, I think it's time to turn it over back to the DJ, who's killing it, by the way. And thank you. Congratulations. I can't wait to work with some of you next year. I'm not looking forward to calling you doctor, but it is what it is. So thank you. Congratulations. Let's have some fun.
Let's have fun. Woo!
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.